All right, guys, so I'm back at Baily's High Performance. Look, I've decided to let Chris take over this car because he is the guy that make things go fast. So Chris, what do you have in plan for the Black Ghost Soul Snatcher?
We're gonna get that dash painted. We're gonna put our gauge cluster kind of where the OEM gauge cluster is.
So where are you gonna put that screen at? So you're gonna put that where the original screen goes?
Where the original one goes.
Because I used to have it sitting off to the side, but you're gonna make it look just like a...
So we're gonna put it right there in the middle, clean everything up. Because I don't want you to have to reach to turn switches on the Holley.
Okay.
We're gonna put everything within reach up top and out of the way.
Okay, so that's kind of similar like on your car, right?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay, I wanna show you guys what he's talking about. But man, I love this. You know, I was hanging out with Barry Wade the other day, and he runs, his car is not a pro mod, but he had this same setup in his car. And you would think those buttons would be bright in your face, but they're not.
Yep, no, they're perfect. So then we're gonna get everything inside plumbed. You can see we got the ice tank already ran, the lines mocked up for that.
Hey, let's check out the ice tank. So, guys, I used to make snow cones in the trunk of the car, but now I'm gonna get the snow cones to you right away.
Yep.
Because he put the snow cones right here. I can take your money on this side.
Can I have my chili Fritos?
Can't have shit, I'm close, fat boy.
Then give me my money back.
My money.
Mama!
And hand you your snow cones on this side. Thanks to Chris Baily, I no longer have to get out the car to serve the kids with the snow cones.
So we'll have that there. We got all the Nitrous Outlet stuff that's going to be mounted on the back here. We made a plate there. So everything's going to be plumbed from this brick here. And
nice. Hey, also, by the way, Chris Baily said the snow cones is going to be fueled by what?
By tears. All the tears that
all the crybabies, all the tears snatching their soul.
Oh, he got me again.
So we're making ice cubes with all the tears, and then that's going in our ice tank.
Yep.
Oh man.
We'll have the snow cone prices on the parachute, so you can read the menu.
Man, I love it. I love it. You can read the menu. Yeah. Pop right there. Boom.
Yep.
Bam, coming out a little bit, because remember this one was sitting over here on the side, and this one was sitting up there. You can see the brackets before. So
everything before was a little further forward, so it made it would have made it really hard for us to kind of get a jug in and fill it and not pull our hamstrings. We're all getting old up here. You know?
Wait a minute, man.
So we brought everything back a little bit so we can easily fill them, and then ran our lines and everything in here. So this is going to be the extent of the fuel inside the car. Straight from here, it's going to go outside and ran underneath the car and stay out of the cab. Okay, so no fuel, under the cab, but we'll have a firewall right there, and then there you go. And that's it. And then everything will be perfect from here. What we're trying to do is keep as much weight centered in the car instead of offset, so we don't have to adjust for shocks so far in each corner.
Okay.
Right?
Okay, so, and therefore the ice tank is on this side, which takes some of the weight.
Yeah, we're trying to balance
from
the
me
weight
being in the seat over here,
Yep.
it kind of brings some of the weight over here to this side as well.
Yeah.
And the nitrous bottles, and that'll kind of balance out. Yeah. And plus I've been on the job. I'm looking so sexy.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Because if you weren't on that, if you weren't eating those salads, I would have to add 4 ice tanks over here. But right now, we're just on 1 ice tank.
Hey, darling.
That's how he's doing.
Hey, darling. He trying to put me in my pimping weight. I don't want to be a player no more.
We'll keep the dad bod, but still able to just dispense a handful of snow cones out of this
There
side.
you go. Just get a little snow cone.
If we do 2 ice tanks, you'll be eating the snow cone, and we can't be doing that. You can't eat your own product.
I can't eat my own tears.
We gotta keep dispensing them.
Oh man, it's crazy, dude. Crazy. Yep. Man, I'm loving it, Chris. The setup is different. The fuel regulator. Yeah. You moved it from this side over to this side.
Yep.
Yeah, and then one thing that was just so frustrating for me was something as simple as the catch can. Oh man, we had to go through so much stuff to drain the catch can. Where are you gonna put the catch can at?
Catch can is gonna go in this front corner. So
how easy?
Yeah, so the catch can will just be able to quickly drain it, do what we can here, not have to take a bunch of stuff out. Because, you know, we're always going to wind up in the semifinals and finals of every event. So we got to make sure that we can quickly turn the car around and get back out into the
Get back
staging
out on.
lanes.
Yeah, there you go.
So
All about racing.
yeah, so we want to be able to not bump heads into everybody, not, you know, me in the way of James or another crew guy. We want to be able to work what we do, go to the back, do what we do. Someone's getting here, getting everything ready inside the car. You're in there getting ready, strapped in,
up, being
ready
nice.
to go. And
I don't know if it was you or somebody else that asked me about this suit. It's like it's like a cool suit?
yeah, it's a cool shirt.
It's a cool shirt. Was that you who told me about this cool shirt?
Yep, because I got one. Keeps fat
Man, I
people
don't
from
need it.
sweating
Wait
out
a minute,
inside the
man,
car.
what's this?
Because
Look, man. This so it's a cool shirt.
it is a cool shirt. Because without it, trust me, the chafing is bad.
Well, see, man, I thought
You can't. No, you chafe under the man boobs, under the
Hey
belly
man,
creases.
wait a minute, man. Just put a little nipple oil right there,
Yeah, no.
and that'll stop this chafing, man.
Yeah, you got to put that cool
So
shirt
you
on.
got it. So you wear a cool shirt.
Yeah.
So that
it helps out a lot.
So that's why you so cool.
Yeah, put ice water in it. That way I can sit up there at the tree. If you want to play games on the tree, that's okay.
Hey man, I rolled up on you one time at the drag strip. I said, this dude think he cool. He ain't cool. But
Sure is.
you was really cool because you had a cool shirt on.
It really was.
And I was sweating.
You were oh man, there's Chris Baily. Oh man,
I
there
was
he
sweating.
is.
I said, this dude think he cool. He ain't cool.
I really was. Thanks to Cool Shirt.
With the
Speaking
cool
of, we
shirt.
need some more. If Cool Shirt, if you know, this is your plug, reach out to us.
Don't be a fool. Stay cool. There we go.
Yep.
All right, guys, so we're going to go make some fuel lines. And James is going to take me through the steps.
So the lines that we create are all crimped on. We've got our custom crimp machine, which is just kind of a universal machine. When it comes to making these lines, we basically just have a 2-part head unit here. We're going to be using a 90 on this particular one. So we've got our collar that we're going to bring down over. And we've got our mail that's going to come into our PTFE line, threaded on. And then we've got our machine already set up to do a 750 thousandths of an inch crimp. We'll keep it nice and easy here. Bleed out the pressure on our little hand pump here, and we're going to basically pump until our little light illuminates and tells us, hey, you've met your mark.
And there's the light.
There it is. Well, we bought this one and we used a hand pump because we can take this on the road with us. So when we go out of town to Houston, when we go out of state, we always take tools like this with us.
And plus, this keeps your jack strong.
yeah.
I mean, your jack on right there. So
Yeah.
just one punch, knock
Strong like bull. Strong like bull. This is how old people stay in shape.
out. Hey, man, that old man strength, right?
Yeah. And then we're looking for 750 plus or minus 10.
Okay.
So we'll come in, we'll hit it up, and we are at 760. We'll do another one, 757. That's what we want.
So we good?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay, bro.
So we go in and we actually test every single hose with air pressure. I'll go up to 40 and then 50. We'll leave it. I want to make sure it's not bleeding down. So it does take a little time. Once I build the lines, it's about an hour of kind of doing this.
Okay.
So some people think, well, that's kind of wasting. No, it might be, but I don't want to get everything tie wrapped and everything mounted, and then we go to pressurize, and then next thing you know, you're leaking fuel everywhere.
Fuel coming out, yeah.
That just makes you look bad. So
Oh, gosh.
Bossman's not going to be happy about that.
It could catch you on fire too. So we got the fuel lines done. So now we're gonna check them out, measure them, and see where they're at. You see this one snakes around here.
So these are going to be our returns.
So that's the return line.
Yeah. And then we'll go in and make a nice little bracket where it sets in, because this is going to be the feed. So we'll actually have 2 lines that are going over to the passenger side, nice and neat.
Nice. There you have it, Fuel Line 101. Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.